What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Took this quick trade tonight in Asia. Sucks that I did not get to hold all the way down, but I was trading consistency accounts. I was literally just looking for a small win. Just knocked out my fifth winning day on my Alpha Zeros. So I'm gonna continue to build the buffer on them. But yeah, I just knocked out my fifth winning day on these. So happy about that. That's all I really needed. But basically, I'll run through this trade for you guys really quick. Coming into the session, basically I was higher time frame bullish. Reason being is because we are respecting, or not respecting, higher time frame bullish, but we have draws above, we have an unmitigated daily above, and you can see we're just displacing higher. Now, the one thing that was, I was looking at was that we created a new day opening gap. So overnight, or not overnight, but from 5 o'clock, whatever, we gapped up. So I was expecting that to at some point get filled, because we all know that new day opening and new week opening gaps are always strong draws, and price loves to attack those. So coming into the session, I was just waiting for displacement. I want to see if we started to displace higher. I wanted to see continuations higher. But if we wanted to displace lower, I wanted to see continuations lower towards that new day opening gap. So coming into pre-market, or right before the Asia, like 8 p.m., we initially get this move to the upside, and we actually end up getting a bearish SMT. So at this point, what I'm looking for is I'm seeing all this low resistance liquidity. Again, I see that we have all this low resistance liquidity, all leading towards the new week opening, or the new day opening gap. We know how strong withdrawal the new day opening gap is. We know how strong low resistance liquidity is. So I'm thinking if I get some type of strong inversion, strong displacement, I'm 100% going to take shorts in the short term. And I'm just looking for this low resistance liquidity to get flushed. And if it does run from there, so be it. It's not really a big deal. So again, like I said, we get this bearish S&T off the highs, and we get this 3-minute inversion right here. Now I take my entry on this 3-minute inversion. And at the same time, I'm watching ES, because ES also gives a strong 3-minute inversion, nice low resistance liquidity below, and also has that new day opening gap. So I take my entry off this. We kind of get a little bit of a drawdown barely. We come down, we get a little bit of drawdown here. And as soon as we get this push below these internal lows, after we were stalling so hard, I just went break even, because at the same time, ES started to push below these lows right here. So it was on this candle where I went break even. And yeah, pretty much just took about the 1-to-1. I think I got out maybe a little bit extra out of a 1-to-1, but that was the trade. Obviously, we end up dumping. It would have been nice. Like, the most I probably would have held to was like these lows right here. Like, I was not planning to hold a big trade, even if I was on other accounts. But again, I'm just looking for small wins, but completely valid. I was looking to get in on a retrace on some evals or something like that, but didn't really have a chance. Didn't see anything. There was this retrace right here. But anyway, caught the win. That's caught whatever I needed, so I don't really care. But the idea still stands, right? If you caught this trade, you could have obviously held if you had the conviction. And now it looks like we're about to fully fill that new week opening, or new day opening gap. But yeah, that was the trade. SMT. Again, looking at the higher time frame, I was still bullish. But again, I'm not going to be opposed to taking shorts the new week opening gap, knowing how strong withdrawal and liquidity it is. So again, SMT, 3-minute inversion. Boom, just run the low resistance liquidity. Again, all I needed was this, so I can't really complain. I didn't come in trying to catch like a runner. But yeah, if you guys were able to catch this, I think this is a solid trade. If you were able to hold this, I think that's great. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. Just want to go over this trade really quick. I thought this was a solid trade. Looking back, low resistance liquidity is always going to add to the probability. So that's it for me, guys. Let me know if you guys took this, and that's it for me. Code LukeX. All my links in the pinned comment. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.